Scott the Fix Guy, and today we have a Bosch dishwasher that isn't draining. So the first thing to try before even working with the machine, if you have one of these air gaps up by the sink, it may be clogged. So you just pull this thing straight up and then you have to take the cap off. Sometimes you can spin them off, and this type you have to wiggle off. You might have to push in on a couple of plastic tabs. You pull the top off, and then sometimes in the middle tube you'll find an obstruction. So here we have one, and when we pull it out, it appears to be maybe the stem of a cherry and some stuff wrapped around it. So you just pull that out of that little hole, throw it away, and then just put the top back in. You have to push those little plastic tabs in. Make sure it seats all the way down. Put this back in with it pointing toward the sink, and you're done.